Hi, this is Daniel with some information on how to potty train a Boston Terrier puppy. First of all, many dogs are smart, and certainly Boston Terriers are very smart, but that doesn't necessarily mean that a dog is going to be easy to potty train. And you have to realize that some dogs just take a little more time with that, and you have to have a lot of patience. Now, first of all, do training pads work? Some people like to try training pads somewhere in the house, such as in a utility room. But the problem is that you really want to train your dog to pee and poop outside. And if you're using a training pad inside, it's confusing to the dog because you're saying in one hand that it's okay to do that inside. So our recommendation is to get rid of the training pads. Now, crate training can be very helpful. Dogs do not like to mess up the area where they're hanging out, where they're sleeping, or where they're spending time, and you can use that fact to your advantage with crate training. So keep your Boston in the crate when you're not available to supervise him or her. If you have to go out and run some errands or go away for a little bit, put your Boston in the crate, and he's not going to want to mess up that area while he's in there. Then take your Boston outside when it is time to pee or poop. Positive reinforcement is really important. So take your Boston outside first thing in the morning and point where you would like him or her to go. The younger your puppy is, the more frequently you'll need to take the puppy outside. Give lots of praise when your puppy goes in that place. On the other hand, if you catch your puppy after the fact and you find a mess in the house, don't yell at your Boston then. Just clean it up. It's too late. It's not going to do any good after the fact like that if you get upset. But do not give your Boston the run of the house until he or she is potty trained. Now, if you catch your Boston in the act, then give a firm no, pick him or her up, and take him outside. This action will be enough. You do not need to incorporate harsh discipline. Again, it's patience, repetition. Patience and consistency are the keys to successfully potty training your Boston. Boston Terriers are great dogs, and by following these steps, both you and your dog will be happier. We hope you've benefited from this presentation, and I invite you to click the link in the description to get even more tips and to access a free 5-day mini course. Thank you.